Hello viewers, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AKP's Social Science. Map pointing is very important for each and every student of class 3rd to class 10th of all boards. In quarterly, half-yearly, annual examinations or summative assessment examinations, there will be question on locating and reading of map and social studies subject question paper. So for that reason I prepared 3 videos on most important countries of the world. In part 1 video some major countries are discussed. If you are not watched my previous video, please go to description box of this video, click on part 1 link and watch it now. In this part 2 video we will discuss about Pakistan, Nepal, Vietnam, Philippines, North Korea, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Namibia, Angola, Ghana, Libya, Algeria, Hungary, Austria, Sweden, Denmark, Iceland, Switzerland, West Indies, Argentina, Chile, Panama and Alaska. After watching this video from beginning to till the end, you will be able to locate all these countries on your own confidently in the given outline world map. Let's start. This is a political map of world. This is outline map of the world. In generally exams of all type, you will get outline map and instruction will be there to locate an outline map of world. Directions are very useful for locating and reading map on. We have 4 major directions. They are north, south, east and west. Among these 4 directions, north is treated as the principal direction. That is why all the maps contain north arrow with the letter N at the top right hand corner. Other 4 intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Before locating any place or any country on the given world map, you must and should know on which continent that place is located. For that reason, now I am discussing 7 continents and 5 oceans of world. First continent is the Asian continent. Area wise, second largest continent is Africa. Third largest continent is North America. Fourth largest continent is South America. Fifth largest continent is Antarctica. Sixth largest continent is Europe. Seventh and the smallest continent is Australia. So here we discussed 7 continents. One is Asia, second Africa, third North America, fourth South America, fifth Antarctica, sixth Europe and 7 Australia. Now we discuss about 5 oceans of the world. Among the 5 oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, which can be marked on both sides of the map. Second is the Atlantic Ocean. This ocean separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. Third is Indian Ocean. This ocean lies south of India. Fourth is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. Fifth and the smallest one is Northern Ocean or Arctic Ocean. Along with the continent and oceans, if you know certain seas, that will be more easier for you to locate on world map. Now we discuss few seas here. This area is Mediterranean Sea. Second is Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea. This area is Adriatic Sea between Italy and Greece. Third is Black Sea. Black Sea is located on northeast of Mediterranean Sea. That area is Black Sea. Fourth, Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea lies east of Black Sea. This area is Caspian Sea. Red Sea lies between Saudi Arabia and Africa. Sixth is Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea lies between Finland and Poland. Next is North Sea. North Sea, the area between England and Norway is North Sea. Next, Caribbean Sea, a sea in Central America. That is Tasman Sea, a sea in between Australia and New Zealand. So these are some major seas of world. Now we see the countries given political map of world. See here, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, a neighbor of India, Nepal, one more neighbor of India, Vietnam, a country in Southeast Asia, Philippines, a island country in Southeast of Asia, North Korea, a country between Japan and China, Saudi Arab, a holy place for Muslims, Libya, a northern country of Africa, Algeria, popularly a Muslim country, Ghana, well known for its gold and cacao, Namibia, a southwestern country of Africa, Angola and Namibia, Madagascar is an island country east of South Africa, Argentina is the 8th largest country of world, Chile is the southernmost country of world, Panama, popular for its Panama Canal, group of islands form a country called West Indies in Latin America, Alaska, that is the northwest part of North America and is a part of USA, Iceland, the second largest island in Europe after Great Britain, Denmark, Sweden, very popular for sponsoring Nobel Prize in different fields in each and every year, Austria-Hungary is the countries who are responsible for First World War, Spain and Switzerland. So we see all these places in outline map. This is the outline map. First we see Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is known as Pearl of Indian Ocean. It lies south of India and it is an island country located in Indian Ocean. Second is Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the neighbor of India. This country separated from India in 1947 August. Next is Nepal. Nepal is also one more neighboring country of India. World's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is located on this country. Fourth, Vietnam. Vietnam is one of the southeast country of Asia. This is Vietnam. Next, Philippines. Philippines are group of island countries located in southeast of Asia. Philippines is very popular for having Asian Development Bank. Next is North Korea. A country named Korea lies between Japan and China. In 1945, Korea separated or got freedom from Japan. That Korea was divided into two parts. Northern part is called North Korea and southern part is called South Korea. Next, Saudi Arab. This is the area. Saudi Arabia is one of the holy place, a land of two holy masjids, holy places of Makkah and Medina is situated in Saudi Arabia. Next, Libya. Libya lies just west of Egypt. It is one of the northern country of Africa and is mostly desert and oil rich country. Next, Ghana. Next is Ghana. Ghana is a small country and is well known for its former Secretary of UNO, Kofi Annan. Ghana is also known as Gold Coast. It's popular for gold and cacao. Ghana time is exactly the same of Greenwich Mean Time, so it shares a time zone with London. Angola. Angola is one of the southwest country of Africa. It is rich with vast minerals and petroleum reserves. Next is Namibia, a country lies south of Angola. Next, Algeria, a country lies west of Libya in North Africa. Is Algeria? It is a largely predominantly Muslim country of North Africa. Next is Alaska. Alaska is a part of USA and lies in northwestern part of North America. Next, Panama. Panama is a small country which connect North and South America. This country is well known for its Panama Canal. Next, Chile. Chile is a narrow and long stretched country of South America. It is the southernmost country in world. Next is Argentina. Argentina lies east of Chile. It is the 8th largest country of world. Next, West Indies, a group of small islands which lies in Caribbean Sea and Latin America are called West Indies. Next, Iceland. Iceland is one of the island in Northern Ocean. It is the second largest island of Europe after Great Britain. Next, Sweden. Sweden lies east of Norway and very near to Baltic Sea. Sweden is popular for sponsoring Nobel prizes for scientists and reputed people of different field in each and every year. Next is Denmark. Denmark is a small country in North Sea. Next, Austria and Hungary, a small country north of Italy and neighbor country. This Austria and Hungary are very popular during World War I. Next is Switzerland. Switzerland lies northwest part of Italy and this country is well known for its Swiss bank. Next is Spain, one of the country in southwest country of Europe, Spain. Last but not least, that is Madagascar. This is Madagascar island, lies in Indian Ocean. Whatever we learned here, once we will recall it. So this part of North America is known as Alaska. Alaska, a country, a narrow landmass of isthmus which connect North and South America is Panama. Right? The southernmost country of world stretches from top to down is Chile. The country lies east of Chile, and the 8th largest country of world is Argentina. Large group of islands lies in Caribbean Sea and in Latin America are called West Indies. It is well known for its cricket players, Brian Lara. Or else, one of the predominantly Muslim country in North Africa is Algeria. Algeria. Land of two holy masjids is Saudi Arab. This is Saudi Arab. Neighbor of India, which separated from India in 1947 August, is Pakistan. It is known as Pearl of Indian Ocean and lies in south of India, Sri Lanka. World's second largest island and lies in Indian Ocean is Madagascar. A country where world's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, located is Nepal. Country separated from Japan and divided into north and south, that is North Korea. It lies between North Korea. It lies between China and Japan. A country in southeast of Asia, an island country where we have ADB, Asian Development Bank, that is Philippines. One of the country in Southeast Asia is Vietnam. Europe's second largest island after Great Britain, Iceland. The countries which are responsible for World War I are Austria and Hungary. See, this is Austria. The second neighbor one is Hungary. A country which sponsors Nobel Prize in different fields each and every year is Sweden. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it among your friends. If you have any queries, please write it in comment box. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon, by which you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you once again for watching this video.